Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Etsy store name. To begin, log into your Etsy Shop Manager, which is the main dashboard for your business. Look for the Settings option located on the left-hand sidebar, typically near the bottom. Clicking Settings will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. From there, you will select Info and Appearance, as this section contains your shop's core details. This is the first crucial step in updating your brand's identity on the platform. Once you are on the Info and Appearance page, scroll down until you find the field labeled Shop Name. You will see your current shop name displayed there, ready for an update. Carefully type your desired new name into this designated box. Remember that your shop name can be up to 20 characters long, so choose something concise yet memorable. After entering your new name, be sure to click the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page, to apply your changes. It is very important to know that you can only change your shop name one time after your shop has been opened. This policy means your choice must be well considered and permanent, so pick a name you truly love. After this initial change, your only option to rename your shop would be to close your current one and open an entirely new shop. This would mean losing your existing reviews and sales history, so choose wisely for your business's future. After saving your new shop name, it might take a few minutes for the update to reflect across the platform. You can verify the change by visiting your public shop page. Next, consider notifying your customers about the update, perhaps with an announcement in your shop or a quick message on social media. This helps maintain clear communication and keeps your buyers informed. Finally, update any external branding, such as social media profiles or business cards, to match your refreshed Etsy identity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.